Hello everyone. So we are discussing the NEET phase 1 question. The top question is from the model periodic table and Meldy's periodic table. The question is given as the 10th element in the periodic table resembles the element with the atomic number. The options are given as first option is 2 and 30, second option is 8 and 18, third option is 2 and 54, fourth option is 8 and 54. So the question is asking about the 10th element of the model periodic table is resembles with the which other elements. So the first is the 10th element of the modern periodic table is belongs to the neon. As we know that neon is a global gas. Noble gas. Neon is a noble gas. And the noble gas belongs to the 18th group of the modern periodic table. 18th group of the modern periodic table contains the magic number as follows: 8, 8, 18, 18, and 32. These are the magic numbers. These are given in the modern periodic tables of the modern periodic tables. So the 10th element belongs to which group, which element we can find out with the help of magic numbers. So 10, if I minus the 8 from the 10, it will gives us the value 2. Means atomic number 2 belongs to the same group as the noble gas atomic number 10 is belonging. Second, if I add 10 plus 8, it will gives 18. 18 is also belong to the same group as the 10 atomic number element is belonging. So next is 18. If I add 18 again, it will give 36. 36 also belong to the same group in which atomic number 10 is belonging. After if I add the 18 again in it, it will give the 54. It will give the 54. 54 is the 54 belong to the same group in which atomic number 10 is belonging. So now we can see as the option 2 and 30. So 2 and 30 is wrong option because 2 is the only correct, 30 is the wrong. 8 and 18, 8, 18, 18 is correct, but 8 is wrong. Third option, 2 and 54. 2 and 54 are the both elements which resembles with the atomic number 10 because they belong to the same group. So option C should be our